Hey guys, welcome back to another fresh video. After a long time, we are back to this frame, and this is what I'm wearing today. The plan right now is that we are going to have sushi. We are not sure what restaurant it is in. I think it is Red Ginger or Red Tomato something in Kolwa. I think Red Tomato is the one in Margao, but we are going to Kolwa. Let's see if we get sushi right now, because it's the time is 7:15. We had planned to leave at 7, but 15 minutes delay is fine. So we'll quickly go to Justin's place. I got his bike and came. We'll go and then we'll move by car. Or let's see if the weather is good. We'll go by bike only. Okay, then I'll get back on the bike now. Yes, so yesterday there was LED at our place. So the table setup is still like this. And just like at 7 o'clock only, LED is gone to the other house. We'll also be going to buy some fish for an aquarium. So if you see, there are guppies, there are neon tetras, there are red tetras, and there are 2 more kinds. But we'll go and buy red tetras, we'll buy red guppies and golden guppies. So I'm just waiting for China. And the boys are here. Brandy, Sol, please. This one does not care, even if I tell him. Milo. Oh, he's like, आज बेइज्जती नहीं होंगे देंगे. Okay, so we'll just move now. I got cold. I think it's because yesterday we were cleaning the house. Do fast. So right now we are at Justin's place and we are ready to leave. I'm just taking the car out. And we are late because of this guy. In most of the relationships, it is the wife who takes most of the time. But in this one, he is the one. I don't know what even he was dressing, but he took more than half an hour. We were here at 7:30. It is now 8. So the plan remains the same, that we are going to have sushi. So Shaina is here and Joshila is still there. She's coming. We saw slingshots on the way. We are right now in Inkitmutaire. Okay, near the powerhouse. Yeah. So we'll just go and check. So we are come for these. कितना है त्यो? कितना रेस का भाई? 120. So we got this one for 80. So these are all the lights that they have put up for Ganpati Visarjan, and you see how beautiful it looks with this entrance. And even below, they have made steps and put lights. So we are finally at Red Ginger, and that's over there. So we'll just go, we'll look for some stuff that we want, and then we'll go at Red Ginger because it's open till 11. We were sitting inside, but we came out because we wanted to take the feel of eating comfortably. And our drinks are come. This is the berry rush, that's pina colada, and Shaina's is some cucumber thing which no one liked, and Justin is having whiskey.
It's not a whiskey, it's ginger ale.
Puro. So we are waiting for sushi to come. Let that come. So finally our sushi is here. This is spicy crab with smoked salmon. And one is going to come, that's a platter. So we'll just start having this. And they got chopsticks for us also. So we are back with our innovative ways of catching the chopsticks. You're going to pick that up or what?
No,
with chopsticks?
I put wasabi and that.
So we don't know how we should be holding a chopstick. That's why I caught it like this. I feel comfortable with this. And Shaina is saying that she knows how we should be catching.
Literally, no.
Joshila has still not. Arey, tu hapa na. Ete modu hai. Okay. All this while I was making fun of her for eating it like that. Takoi uske technique pasand aa gayi. So she found a hack for that. Oh. And all this while she was struggling to have it like this. Okay, so this is my first attempt. Wait, I'll hold it properly. Okay, so this is my first try. Just to put in this.
But this belongs to me.
It tastes better with sauce, and especially after mixing wasabi sauce in this. So this is the sushi platter. We almost done having this the crab ones. So we'll give an attack on these ones also. So we are done with the food here.
Yeah.
And we'll just search for the bill. Now we'll see what's the plan. We are thinking of going for naan and that, but we'll see how it goes. So we have made the move now. We are going to Fishland, I think. Fishland, Umare?
Right.
Yeah. So here we are at Fishland. The vibe has changed over here. I came like 2 months back. We are at Fishland now, and our food has also come. This is naan, that is chicken Hyderabadi, and these are sausages. So we'll have this, and then we'll go to have ice cream. But let's see after having this if we have place in our stomach. So we had naan and this thing, what it is, chicken Hyderabadi. The main reason why we came here is because over there they did not have naan, and we were extremely full. We did not feel like having rice. There was fried rice. There was no plain fried rice also. There was some jasmine fried rice. But to be honest, the sushis were not up to the mark. I've had them in Porvorim, but here it's not that good. It is okay for the first time. If you are having, it's okay, but not that recommended. There's one place in Porvorim. It's really good over there. I'll just put it in the description, or I'll put it over here only. And now we are going to have some pastry or something like that. I also don't know what it is. Some pudding at Patisserie Victoria. It's 11. We'll get it open. So right now we are come at Patisserie Victoria. Last time we had purchased some pudding from here, which we liked. So we are come to have that back again.
This is biscoff cheesecake that I was telling you about.
This one, okay. So this is the thing that we eat. Creme brulee, okay. I think we pronounce it as creme brulee. Okay. So we ordered 4 of this and 1 ice cream, which me and Joshila will be sharing. Shaina took 1 espresso for her. Come on, Joshila, you can do it. so we had her this. And she is now forcefully eating her ice cream. Okay, so we are done changing. Okay, so I'm done changing, and it's time to leave. So we'll just go to Justin's place. I think the voice is getting echoed over here. So right now we are at Justin's place, and this is his aquarium. We did not get fish today because by the time we left it was too late. I'll just show you with the light on. Okay. So he also has a lot of variety of fish, that is neon tetra. These are guppies. This one is also a small guppy, and this is a sucker. And those are so if you see, there's one with a red, this one, the zebra lines, and with a red mouth, and one is a red phantom. Red Phantom or Tetra. With this much variety of fish, it looks really good. Even I'm planning for that only. The main thing is I have a smaller tank now, so I'll just put few fishes, but then I'll upgrade it. There's actually no place for me to keep them. That's why I'm just adjusting with a smaller tank only right now. But I think it's this much for today's video. I hope you all have liked the video. If you all have liked it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you all in the next video. Bye.